Azure Data Lake and Azure Blob Storage are the two most popular storage solutions in Microsoft Azure. Do you know the differences, the similarities, and which one to pick for what scenario? Well, that's the topic for today's video. If you're new to my channel, I'm Riz Ang and I build data platform. Now, what is the same between both storage solutions? First, they both are created on Azure Storage account, with the exception that Data Lake, you turn on the hierarchical namespace. Second, they both store unstructured data, things like text files, Excels, video, and photos. Third, they both are designed to store very large amount of data. Fourth, they offer the same redundancy options like local, zone, or geo redundant storage. Fifth, they both also offer the same access tier offerings, things like hot, cool, and archive. Now, what is the difference? There are four differences here I want to highlight. First, Azure Data Lake Gen 2 has an actual hierarchical folder structure. Just like in Windows Explorer, you can group files in folders. With blob storage, there is no such a thing. So it's just a logical, meaning it is mimicking a hierarchical folder structure, but it actually doesn't exist. Second, from a security perspective, Azure Data Lake offers a fine-grained access control with what it's called ACL, access control list, meaning you can control or restrict access at folders and files level in Data Lake. With blob storage, access control is only at a resource level, meaning at a blob storage as a whole. So you can't really restrict access in files or folder. Third, currently in Data Lake, there is no soft delete feature, meaning if you accidentally delete files, you can't restore it. Whereas in blob storage, it has that functionality. However, this functionality in Azure Data Lake is in preview now, so it might come available at some point. Fourth, Azure Data Lake costs a little bit more. Well, in fact, it's actually 2 or 3 times more when I tested with 1 terabyte of storage capacity and about 100,000 read and write activities. And blob storage is the cheapest or cheaper in this case. Which one for what? Azure Data Lake is ideal for building a data platform for analytics and data warehouse. And this is because of the hierarchical namespace feature. It allows for more efficient directory manipulation. Things like renaming, moving, or deleting files can happen quicker. And this often is required when you run, for example, Spark jobs in Databricks, which requires processes like this to happen quite often. And also, because of the hierarchical namespace, it offers better file organization. When it comes to blob storage, it is ideal for general storage purpose. So if you need a static storage for backups or simply just storing a lot of data, blob storage is ideal. It's because it's cheaper as well. And if you want a storage for just a landing area or staging area, where you just store data and then gets read at some point by, for example, Data Factory, blob storage is ideal for that. That's all what I have for today's video. The different similarities and also what to choose between Azure Data Lake and Azure Blob Storage. If you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel and press that like button as well. Thanks very much for your support. Have a good day.